This is the JCID V1S Pro. When we open it up, we find a very nice blue device. And in the bottom, we've got the JC programmer where we can scan this code and browse the operations instructions, which is pretty cool. A 6-month free activation, so half-year activation card for the JC drawing software. And we've got 2 cables. We've got a standard lightning cable, and then we've got a Type-C fast charging cable as well. Now, we have several different attachment boards that go to this. First, we have the iPhone 10 through 14 Pro Max Face ID activation / read and write adapter, the iPhone 6 through 14 Pro Max battery adapter, the iPhone 12 through 14 True Tone repair adapter, and the 8 through 13 Pro Max receiver FPC detector adapter. Let's take a look first at the Face ID activation. This is going to be for fixing some of the Face ID issues that we run into. Here we've got the battery adapter. You can see it starts all the way back at the iPhone 6 or the 5/SE and jumps all the way up through the 13 and 14 series, including the SE 2nd and SE 3rd gen, which is really cool. And here we've got the True Tone Restore and the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Mini, 12 Pro Max, 13 Mini, and 14/14 Plus displays. And last but not least, the FPC activation to repair the Face ID. So for the proximity sensor itself, if it gets damaged, to be able to read and write the data and save Face ID for those. So we've got 2 solutions for the Face ID. One if it's on the dot projector itself, and this one if it's on the proximity sensor assembly. So more than one solution depending on the issue you're running into with the Face IDs. And there's one other one that I don't have here that's similar to these. That's for the rear camera, so that when you replace it, you don't have the message pop up that the rear camera has been replaced. That will allow us to copy and write the data over to a new camera after replacing the flex cable on it. And like and subscribe, because as I run into these particular issues that require this tool, I will be making more videos down the line showing how to use each one of these. I just really wanted to show you that we now have the JCID programmers with these. There's already content online that you can search out going through these different repairs. I will have more on this shortly. And here we've got the user manual where you can go through and really get a good idea about everything that it entails, along with the individual QR codes. They come with the individual boards. With detailed instructions on how to use each one of them. For example, also here we've got the battery adapter instructions that allow us to go in and know how to go in and alter the data. Just a lot of solid information on their site.